Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Heyday with Facebook. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Heyday application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get Heyday? Pretty simple. You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those stores and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing Heyday, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step on-screen processes to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully and you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to connect Heyday with Facebook. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. So go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines and you have the extended options, which include edit mode and settings. Now go ahead and click on settings, and over here you have music, you have sounds, you have language, you have credits, change file name, advanced settings, privacy policy, terms of service, help, and support. And at the top corner you have your Supercell ID. Now at the top it says connect a Supercell ID to safeguard your game and play on multiple devices, and it means we just have one Supercell ID and there is no option to actually connect Facebook to Supercell ID, to Heyday rather. So for now, as of July 2024, on Heyday you can only connect Heyday to Supercell ID and not any other platform including Facebook. So you cannot connect Heyday to Facebook anymore. Now the Facebook login expired in 2021. So as of 2021 you could connect Heyday to Facebook. But as of 2024 now you cannot connect Heyday to Facebook. So let's say in the future Heyday could literally change your mind and say, okay, let us partner with Facebook now, but for now you cannot connect Heyday to Facebook. So that's pretty much the process. You can only connect Heyday to Supercell ID, and that's the only platform. Now I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.